Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in my Cayman S, and you guys haven't seen this before, but it sounds so good. Oh, police. Never mind. All right, we gotta turn somewhere. Hi, dog. Doggy. All right, yeah, we're good. So welcome back to my channel. We're in my 981, 981, 981 Cayman S, and it's Emmanuel, it's manual. And we're gonna show you guys a quick walk around. But before you guys get a chance to see the outside of this car, I'm gonna take you on a quick video, I think it's quick, of my 2009 Audi R8. It's an old video. It's a car that I owned for approximately 15 to 30 days, maybe a little bit longer. But someone decided to run a red light, they totaled it, and I want to make sure I have a video of that car since it's one of the cars I own for a very short time. And then I get this. And then at the very end, we're going to show you guys a sneak peek over what other car I just got. So stay tuned. Let's go. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not in the 2000, we're not in the Evo, we're in something totally different. So we're gonna pull over real quick and I'm gonna show you guys what we picked up. Stay tuned. So a couple weeks ago, I made a very impulse purchase and picked up this 2009 Audi R8 V8. It's gated and I love it. She looks so mean. It does have aftermarket wheels. That's like the only thing that's done to the car. I did just buy like a set of OEM wheels. But let's show you a quick walk around. So yeah, these are aftermarket wheels. I forget the name. They are Worsteiner Performance. Yeah, Worsteiner Technic Performance wheels. But yeah, this is it. I'm really excited. She is looking good. There's the V8, the side blades. Jeez. And it has the different grille. I don't know, I kind of like the OEM grille more, but I know a lot of people change it to this grille. It's kind of growing on me. I'm not sure if I like this one or the aftermarket grille, but nonetheless, she looks so mean, guys. Like, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I see these cars online, I feel like it does not do them justice than in person. Like in person, they just look so much wider. They look a lot more meaner, and online, they look pretty mellow. Whenever I see pictures or videos, at least most of the time. I think this is like my favorite part of the whole car. Well, I'll take that back. Maybe it's not, but I love to open this up and look at all the carbon fiber. It looks so much better in here with carbon fiber. And it also has carbon fiber interior pieces, like right here, the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It has this carbon fiber piece over here, the one over there, this and this over here. Of course, the beautiful gated manual. And I really had no clue that this is like the last car that they made with a gated manual. I had no idea, but I guess Audi R8s are like the last gen, well, the last cars to ever have a gated manual. So I think that's really cool. I heard about that before, but it never really hit me that it really was like the last car to ever come out with it, which I think it's so cool. All right, next, let's get a quick exhaust clip. Now, the exhaust is not loud at all. It sounds really, really quiet. A lot of people have different like stories of why they think Audi made this car so quiet, but nonetheless, let's get an exhaust clip. She looks so good from that angle, but I think the exhaust sounds really good. It's definitely pretty quiet, A lot of people get aftermarket exhaust on the car and it really opens it up. I think I'm just gonna keep it the way it is for probably a while, really, just because the other cars are already loud enough anyway. But I don't know, I haven't heard it yet on video. I think they're quieter on video than they are in person. I think it sounds really good in person, but maybe I'm biased. But that does remind me, I do have sad news. So I do have to sell the Evo or the S2000. It just doesn't make sense to keep the cars. I think I might sell the Evo and keep the S2000, but then if I do that, then I kind of have a similar car already, since it's 2 doors, just like this one. And then the Evo is all-wheel drive and 4 doors. I really don't know which I'm going to sell yet, but I know for sure I'm going to sell the SI just because I really don't use the car anyway. But I'll figure out which one I'm going to sell. I don't know, I really got to think about it. But this car fits right in because they don't make any more S2000s, they don't make any more Evos, they don't make any more Preludes, and they're not making any more R8s. So it just fits right into the blend of cars. And I'm really happy I got it and I was able to get this car. It was between this and the Cayman. And I don't know, I really love Caymans, but I really always loved R8s. And I really don't regret it. Oh, and one more thing this car does have is adjustable coilovers. So I'm guessing the mag ride went out on this car because it's a really common problem. And the mag ride, the magnetic ride, I think that's what it's called. It's the OEM suspension system on these cars that tends to go bad on almost every car after like probably 10,000 miles. I don't remember, not 10,000, probably like 20,000, 30,000. Don't quote me, no idea. This has Bilstein shocks, fully adjustable coilovers, and I'm not messing with anything because I have no idea how to adjust them. I just know it's fully adjustable. And for any R8 gurus out there, I did have the previous owner inspect like the frame and everything checked out good. He sent me videos and pictures. But just look how massive this trunk is. It's so huge. It just opens up from here to over there. But the trunk is really small. But you know what? This is actually bigger than the one in the S2000. Now that's crazy. The S2000 literally has less storage room than this car. And not only that, on top of that, you have storage room inside the car. See, if you look back here, you have like a little storage bench right here where you can set things, and there's a net there. But alright guys, I wanted this to be a quick video with the car. I really didn't want to go over like a full in-depth tour. I'm sure there are a bunch of videos out there, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like the car. I'm really excited. I feel really blessed to be able to get this car. What is up guys, welcome back. And I don't know if this is going to be in a new video or in addition to my first video, but we're back with the R8 because we might be parting ways with her. Well, she might be gone really soon, and I'm gonna jump right in. So I've had the car for roughly a month, well 2 months now, maybe, yeah, 2 months. And something really terrible happened. So somebody decided to not pay attention and run a red light, and I think you know where I'm going. And they did this. But not only that, I tried to avoid them and they still hit me. And then they did this, and then they did this, and then they did all of this, and they did all of this over here too, along with that, along with a lot of probably internal damage. It doesn't look nearly as bad. Maybe, no, it does. It looks pretty fucking bad. It looks, yeah, it looks terrible. But yeah, there's probably a lot more damage internally, is what the body shop told me. Obviously there's a lot of work that needs to be done, so I'm thinking the car's gonna be a total loss. Luckily I didn't sell the S2000, I didn't sell the Evo, SI, everything's still here. So that's the good news. The bad news is I didn't get a chance to really enjoy the car as much as I wish I would have wanted to. But I will say this, I feel like when I first filmed the video I didn't sound as excited. I feel like I was just overwhelmed by taking everything in, and at the same time I kind of had buyer's remorse and I just didn't know how to feel. But after driving it, up until all that happened, I started enjoying the car more and driving it more. I realized that I really love the car. It's just so balanced. It's all-wheel drive. You have a gated manual, which again, one of the last, well, it's the last gated manual ever made by any any automaker. And then she just looks so freaking good. Like, it just stands out from any other car in traffic. Originally they went like a Porsche Cayman S or something newer, but you don't know how fun it is until you drive one. And I'm telling you, when you watch all those review videos, that there's plenty of them, they're not lying. The car is a really fun car to drive. And see, the S2000, it's a really super fun car to drive, but so is this. This is just a little bit more tame because it's not as noisy, and it's just a really super rounded car. You know, I'm really bummed though, because if I have to find another one, it's going to be really hard to find another one that has all the options that this one has, like the carbon fiber parts in here, the carbon fiber parts inside, of course the gated manual. And the one that I've noticed online is really hard to find anywhere are these options. The whole full carbon fiber engine bay. I didn't know it was that hard to find until I started looking around, and I didn't see any others out there in the market, at least not easily. And sure, you can buy those parts separately. I think it's like $1,000 a piece or so, but I don't want to do that. So part of me wants the car to just be a total loss so I can just not worry about it, and I'm not worried to have to worry about driving a car that's been repainted and all these other things. But at the same time, I kind of wouldn't mind, just because I would want to keep the car. But then, I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. But let's look at it one more time. Oh man, it just sits so good. And it saddens me to know that it might be gone, and that maybe it's going to be harder for me to find another one that I'm really going to like and just pull the trigger on. Nonetheless, it is what it is. I think this about wraps up the video for today, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys in the loop, and stay tuned. Thank you again. Bye. And we're back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before I end the video, I am going to show you guys, like I said, the outside of this car. And then on a whole separate other video, I'm going to upload a full overview of this car. So quick sneak peek of the Cayman S. She is beautiful. Actually, I like it a lot. It's really weird that I got a black car, I got another black car. I really didn't even want a black car, but I do like these in black, but I also like them in red. But nonetheless, she's gorgeous, and she's mine, and she's Emmanuel. Man, there's so much trash over here now. Oop, heard something. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek of the other car I just got. And the next video, we're going to end up actually going over a full-blown overview over this car. I'm going to take you guys inside. I'll show you guys one little mod that I've done. But here she is, guys. But once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video for a full review of this car, or overview. And that's because I think this video is probably long already. But until next time, thank you for watching. Bye. The infamous R8 that hopefully I get a chance to keep owning or own another time in my life.